In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your server. So let me clear my screen, log into my server, enter my password. Now, when you enter your password, nothing is going to show or display. It's normal, okay? Hit enter, and we are logged in to our server. All right. So how do you update your server? Now, this is a Ubuntu server. You see here, Ubuntu. The way we update our server is typing sudo. So sudo means super user do, right? So you are the root user, and because of this root, you can even ignore the sudo. Whether you put sudo or not, it doesn't matter. So you can still put sudo apt. Apt stands for application. Okay. Update. So this is going to download the latest packages for you. Let me just clear the screen so that you can see well. All right. So clear. Now sudo apt update. This will download the latest softwares, packages, and sudo apt upgrade. And this part after the n is going to, so this will download and this will do the upgrading. All right. So we want to just add yes to it and hit enter, and right now it's downloading the packages. After that, it will upgrade them automatically without we doing anything. So just sit down, relax, and watch your server do the magic. Now our update is complete. Okay, so you can run this command sudo apt list. All right, so we're going to list, we're going to see if there are other applications that need upgrading. So just put upgradable. So sudo apt list upgradable, and that's all. There's no application that needs upgrading. All right, so we're done with the upgrade. So thank you very much for watching this lecture. Hoping to see you in my next video, where we'll be protecting our Linux server, because our Linux server is still not protected. We're using root as a default user, which is very bad. Okay, so hoping to see you in my next lecture. Thank you and take care.